Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. So now step 1, solve the innermost parenthesis first. 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. And according to this step 1, the BODMAS says we must always start with the innermost bracket first to simplify the core of the expression. So now the expression becomes 45 divided by 9 curly bracket of multiplied by 8 and square bracket of minus 3 into 7. So now second step, solve the curly brackets. As you can see, solve the curly brackets. It says 45 divided by 9 equals to 5. According to this step, we move outward to the next set of brackets. Here we perform the division contained within the braces. So now the expression becomes 5 multiplied by 8 minus 3 multiplied by 7. Now step 3. Solve the square brackets 5 into 8. So 5 multiplied by 8 equals to 40. And according to this step, we complete all the operations inside the outermost brackets before moving to the term outside. So now the expression becomes 40 minus 3 multiplied by 7. So now next is perform multiplication. First we multiply the digits. After we'll get 21. Between the subtraction and multiplication, BODMAS requires multiplication to be performed first. So now the remaining expression becomes, say, subtraction. The final and last step, subtract the values, and after we'll get 19, and 19 is the final operation remaining to reach the simplest form. This is the final result of this expression is 19 by strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, moving from the innermost brackets to outward and prioritizing multiplication over subtraction. So we ensure calculation is mathematically accurate. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.